Hello and welcome or welcome back to my channel Village Life Journal. I'm back in the kitchen and today I'm going to make pumpkin pancakes. So pumpkin is a seasonal vegetable, yes, so it's typical for October, November cooking. And I'm trying to use it as much as possible, as often as possible. Okay, so let me show you the ingredients which you will need. So obviously you will need pumpkin. For this recipe you will need half of this piece. So it's roughly 400 grams of pumpkin. Then 2 eggs, some flour, wheat flour, kefir, or I don't know, sour, yes, kefir is better. And some sugar if you want sweet pancakes, which I want to get. So some vegetable oil and a bit of soda to make it fluffy, and that's it. I think most ingredients are in front of you. So first I cut into pieces, peel and cut into pieces the pumpkin and grate it on from the, let's say, big side of the grater. So the most time-consuming part of cooking will be grating pumpkin. So I'm using a larger pot. So see you when I finish. So here I have grated for approximately 400 grams of pumpkin, as you can see. So, and I'm adding the rest of the ingredients, which are 2 eggs, 2 eggs. I'm trying to center the camera. Two teaspoons of sugar. You can add more if you like. I will add maybe 3. 2 and 3 teaspoons. Then I will need 500 milliliters of kefir, so I will use 2 cups. Let me take. So roughly 2 cups, because each cup is 250 grams. Here we have 500 milliliters. Mix everything. Then I am adding soda to make it fluffy, so you can add baking powder. So it's one teaspoon of baking powder or soda. We usually use soda. It's a universal ingredient. So, and at the end, okay, so a bit of a pinch of salt. A pinch of salt. Maybe 2 pinches, little pinches. Okay, and at the end you add 3 So you will need 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Yes, 3 tablespoons. It helps, let's say, so the dough will not stick to the frying pan, and it will be, the dough will be kind of fatter. And I'm adding 300 grams of wheat flour. So here is 200 and 50 and a bit of another 50 grams. Okay, so mix it all and start frying. So the dough is ready, as you can see, so it's a huge amount, and honestly speaking, I am making pumpkin pancakes the first time, so let's try. So I'm using the whole ladle, so, and trying to distribute it on the, so the first pancakes will take some time because frying pan needs to be really hot. Okay, so let's leave it for a couple of minutes. Leave it frying. So after 2 unsuccessful attempts to make big pancakes, so I decided to make 2 small ones. So I think there are more chances for them to survive. Okay, and again, so you need to constantly add vegetable oil. So now it's ready, so they look like that. Yeah, so 2 small pancakes, which looks nice too. Let's continue. And I will show you the end result in like 15 minutes. After 20 minutes frying, so I've got this pile of pumpkin pancakes. They are, I think, perfect size. They are fluffy, tasty. I've just tried one of them, so you can have it with jam, sour cream, white yogurt, or just simply with a cup of tea. So hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. See you in my next vlog. Bye!